Welcome to our VEX IQ sensors video, focusing on the color sensor. The color sensor can measure simple colors, color hues, independent red, green, and blue in 256 levels each, and ambient light levels. The color sensor is one of 5 VEX IQ sensors that has out-of-the-box default functionality. First, be sure firmware for the controller, smart sensors, and robot brain are updated. The brain firmware must be version 1.05 or higher. For initial testing of any VEX IQ sensor, we recommend using a simple starter robot, such as the robot base with the autopilot sensor mount as seen here. For assembly instructions and for details on updating firmware, please consult your kit documentation or the VEX IQ website. Now for the color sensor default functionality exercise. Begin by taking your color sensor, a few 1x1 connector pins, and attach the sensor firmly to the sensor mount. Then use a smart cable to connect the color sensor to any unused port in the brain. The brain will automatically recognize the sensor. You will also need a red object and a green object like these. Next, wake up your controller and your robot brain. Then choose the driver control program and run it. You will immediately be able to drive the robot. Have someone else show the color sensor a red object and the robot becomes disabled. Show the color sensor green and it's re-enabled. Repeat this process as you wish, red for stop and green for go. This is just the beginning. Imagine what else can be done with this sensor using programming software. That's all for the color sensor, but be sure to join us next time for more.